Welcome to your journey of gratitude journaling. In this video, we'll explore how a simple daily practice can bring profound changes to your life. But first, what exactly is a gratitude journal? It's a personal record where you note things you're thankful for each day. This might sound simple, but its impact can be transformative. Research shows that maintaining a gratitude journal can improve your sleep, reduce stress, and enhance your overall happiness. Imagine ending each day with a moment of reflection, focusing on the positives rather than the negatives. This shift in mindset can lead to a calmer, more peaceful state of mind. As you consistently practice gratitude, you'll find that it rewires your brain to notice and appreciate the good in your life more readily. So why start a gratitude journal? Because it's a powerful tool for mental well-being, a way to cultivate mindfulness and a positive mindset. Whether you're new to journaling or looking to reinvigorate your practice, this journey promises to be rewarding. Stay with us as we delve deeper into the benefits and guide you through making gratitude journaling an integral part of your daily routine. Let's embark on this path to a happier, healthier you. Many of us start a gratitude journal with great enthusiasm, eager to transform our lives through this simple practice. But as the days roll by, common obstacles begin to surface, testing our initial resolve. One of the biggest challenges is time. In our fast-paced world, finding even a few moments to jot down thoughts can feel overwhelming. Another hurdle is the feeling of ingratitude. Some days, it might seem like there's nothing particularly noteworthy to be thankful for. This can lead to frustration or a sense of inadequacy, making it tempting to skip the practice altogether. Then there's the issue of losing motivation. The initial excitement can wane, especially if the benefits aren't immediately apparent. It's natural to question if the effort is worth it. But like any worthwhile habit, the true rewards of gratitude journaling unfold over time. So how do we overcome these challenges? By acknowledging them first. Understanding that these struggles are common can help you navigate them with greater ease. In the next segment, we'll explore practical tips to keep your journaling journey on track, ensuring it becomes a sustainable and enriching part of your life. Welcome back to our journey of gratitude journaling. In this segment, we're diving into the heart of the practice, how to make it a sustainable and rewarding habit. Whether you're just starting out or seeking to deepen your experience, these tips are designed to fit seamlessly into your daily routine. First, start small. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the idea of journaling every day, but remember, it's the little steps that lead to big changes. Begin with just a few sentences each day. Reflect on one or two things you're genuinely grateful for. This simple act of acknowledgement can set a powerful tone for your day and gradually build a positive habit. Next, use prompts to guide your thoughts. Sometimes, staring at a blank page can be daunting. Prompts can spark inspiration and focus your reflections. Consider questions like, what made me smile today? Or, who am I thankful for in my life right now? These questions can unlock deeper insights and enrich your journaling experience. Revisiting past entries is another valuable practice. It allows you to see your growth over time and reminds you of the positive moments that might have slipped your mind. Being honest and personal in your entries is crucial. Your gratitude journal is a safe space for your thoughts and feelings. Write authentically about what truly matters to you, even if it's something small or seemingly insignificant. Authenticity in your journaling fosters a deeper connection to your emotions and enhances the therapeutic benefits of the practice. Lastly, make journaling a part of your daily routine. Whether it's first thing in the morning or right before bed, find a time that works for you and stick to it. Consistency is key. By making it a regular part of your day, you'll find that gratitude naturally becomes a more prominent part of your life. These 5 tips are your tools to cultivate a lasting and impactful gratitude journaling habit. Embrace them, adapt them to your needs, and watch as your perspective shifts towards positivity and mindfulness. Stay tuned as we explore the transformative power of gratitude in the next segment. Imagine a world where your mind is naturally tuned to see the positive in every situation. This is not just a dream, it's a scientifically backed reality that gratitude journaling can help you achieve. By simply jotting down what you're thankful for, you begin to rewire your brain to focus on positivity. This practice isn't just about listing good things, it's about transforming your mindset. When you regularly engage in gratitude journaling, your brain starts to produce more dopamine and serotonin, the chemicals responsible for happiness and well-being. It's like giving your brain a happiness workout, strengthening those neural pathways that lead to a more joyful existence. You're not just writing words, you're enhancing your mental health and creating a more resilient and optimistic outlook on life. Moreover, gratitude journaling shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have in abundance. It's a subtle yet powerful change that can alter how you perceive your world. Think about it. Each entry in your journal is a step towards a more positive mindset, a healthier brain, and a more abundant life. It's a simple practice with profound effects, a small daily ritual that can lead to significant life changes. So, why not give it a try? Start today and let the transformative power of gratitude journaling guide you to a happier, more contented you. Embrace this journey and watch as your perspective shifts, bringing more joy and positivity into your life. Remember, it's not just about writing, it's about changing the way you see the world. And that change begins with gratitude. As we conclude this journey into the world of gratitude journaling, it's time to take action. Imagine ending your day with a simple yet profound reflection, a moment to acknowledge what you're grateful for. Tonight, grab a notebook or download a journal app and write down just one thing that brought you joy or peace today. Feel the shift as gratitude gently rewires your mind, nurturing a more positive outlook on life. Remember, this is just the beginning of a transformative habit. By taking this first step, you're opening the door to improved mental well-being and happiness. And as you continue, you'll find it easier to notice the abundance in your life, even on challenging days. We invite you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tips and guidance on enhancing your journey towards mindfulness and self-improvement. Together, let's cultivate a practice that not only enriches our lives, but also spreads positivity to those around us. So why wait? Start your gratitude journal tonight and watch as it brings about a remarkable change in your life. Thank you for joining us, and remember, every small step counts on the path to a happier, healthier you.